Okay.
Kenmore 400 110 volt dryer repair. The dryer stopped turning. Take the top off at the back. There's a couple screws, and then you can lift the top all the way up, and it leans and holds back. The motor pulley broke off, the belt slipped, and the bearing on the turning wheels are broken.
The belt's all loose. This thing's all changing. Oh, it's so hard to turn. Comes off. Alright, so this thing is filthy. The drum fell right out. Fell right out. There's the belt. The belt's still intact. And this guy came off. And this guy came off. Oh man, everything's a mess. So this guy came off of here. That must be where the pulley belt goes. And then this guy broke apart. It looks pretty important. Pretty important here, but it's all broken. Oh, look, that's where it broke. Oof, that's not good. Wow, metal broke. It's just a mess other than that. Alright, so this piece definitely broke on me with the motor. And then we got these guys that are both broken. And that's gotta come out, and that's quite a mess. You can see all the debris from it falling apart on us. So, what we got here is the repair kit. Some new. And I also got nice little gear. So we got the new wheels, the tensioner, the belt, instructions.
Here's the new hardware: driver motor pulley, Kenmore Dryer Repair Kit with belt.
So, buried underneath all this, little plastic clip. So I'm gonna pull that out. I took this piece off, a couple little screws, and a little lid, and then this thing. You can pry it out with a screwdriver.
Had to lock in the new washer. Needed to be filed a little tiny bit to get it to snap into place.
Man, it was broke bad. You're just going straight in the trash. Bye bye. Oh man, look at that. Even all my plastics are gone. Alright, so I did put a little bit of oil. Put air compressor oil on. I don't think it's gonna be a big deal. Just a touch. Touch too much. Alright, got it on. I actually wound up filing the hole a little bit to make it go in there. we go. The big bad belt. What? Okay. Push this button here. Push this button here. Look at her go. Nice. And yeah, the metal is sharp. Very sharp. Got me. There it is. Dryer repair. The tools you need. The mess you make. Dryer's